The, the sound of chainsaws. Ever since the Los Angeles fire, some of the people around here who have forests around their homes have decided, and there's some very old growth trees by just by looking at them. They're cutting off the tops. Why? Well, if there's a fire, which can happen in this area, a lot of forest around here, um, and it catches their trees on fire, and the trees come down. So they decided that it is wiser to cut some of the tops off and take down some of the trees. Oh, that devalues the property. No, if your house burns down, it's not devaluing the property. This house does not have, it has one tree there, but other trees are neighbors. If they go up, and if you have a house fire down here, you're gonna if any good size, your trees around you are going to go up. This is a dry area. We're in a drought down here right now. So, people have their own little wells and that, but being in a drought means that the grass is brown. So if there's a fire over there, that grass is going to burn. Well, hey, better safe than sorry.